Chamber to now adjourn. I call the honourable member for Braddon.
Well, I thank you, Deputy Speaker, and it's a great opportunity in adjournment to raise issues that are of importance to my constituents. I'm not sure how many of my fellow members and colleagues have been to the great island of King Island in my electorate, a magnificent place, a small population of maybe 1,400 people, but at the heart of King Island, amongst many other great community organisations, is Phoenix House, an important community hub and really the centre of community life on the island. In recognition, Mr Deputy Speaker, of their continued work in the community, I'm pleased today to be able to announce that the federal Liberal government has awarded Phoenix House $141,000 in additional funding to continue to operate the King Island Self project. The Self project, Mr Deputy Speaker, is what Phoenix House calls its core activity, being a community hub. And if you have the opportunity, as I said, to visit this unique island in the Bass Strait and drop into Phoenix House, which I do on every occasion that I go to the island, I always enjoy a cuppa and a sandwich and a bicky with the great staff there, and to Charles Pearce, who's the chairman of Phoenix House, and to the wonderful staff and volunteers that work there. It's a tremendous privilege to be able to help from the federal government's point of view, help them in the continuation of their work. There's a number of groups that rely on Phoenix House, so this funding announcement will be very much welcome. Phoenix House hosts adult literacy programs, book groups, social groups for disabled peoples, chronic disease prevention, new parents group, daycare, school holiday groups and many more activities. Also, Phoenix House hosts the King Island's Men's Shed. Men's sheds, as we all know, are an integral part of the community, offering men of all ages a place of support, health education and community engagement. This funding is great news for the community and follows strong representations that I've made to the Minister for Social Services, Scott Morrison. These additional funds for 2 additional years to June 30th, 2017 will be delivered to ensure Phoenix House can continue to provide these important services to the community. I thank the Minister for his strong support. This is good news for King Island and particularly for our residents who benefit from Phoenix House. I'm proud to have assisted in providing certainty for Phoenix House and look forward to them continuing to provide their services in the local community.